Today, I'll be showing you guys how to do genie nail art. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. You will need these polishes. As you can see, I've already painted my nails blue, and now we're going to start by doing the genie lamp. Now for the fun part. We're going to start on the genie himself. Check out the cards at the top of the screen and the videos on the end screen. This is what they look like when they're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Which one should I watch?